Hi. If you want more information, you can contact us at bookmenders.org. Right now we're talking about some hinges on the book. The hinge in a hardcover book is created by these paste papers. Now sometimes these hinges get loose. For example, where it starts to pull away from the cover. That can be the cause of starting it to rip and really damage the book. The easiest way to fix it is to get glue down in there, but because the hinge is so small, it can be difficult. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue on a popsicle stick, or you can use a skewer. Open up that hinge and push some glue down into there. Let's see, no, the bottom's okay. Then we're going to close this and clamp it. Now because it's already starting to tear, we can put some book tape on there. And with our clear book tape, open this up, and on the page side, the paper side of the book, we're going to lay down a strip of book tape. They're nice and flat, but you're going to keep this side up. And cut this to size. Now once book tape is positioned, it's really hard to reposition it, like I've just done. So we're going to hold it up and get it down into this valley crease here before you start to go up in the center, off to the side, to the center, and off to the side. And that will reinforce that hinge. Now sometimes the hinge has come off completely. And we fix this in much the same way. We start on the text block side and lay our tape down. Scissors. And cut it to size. You're going to push that all the way up. Now you're going to take a new popsicle stick, not the one we used the glue on, and make sure it is really pressed down into that edge. As we hold this back, we're going to line up the other side of the book to that edge. And very carefully start attaching it down. Now, notice I started in the middle and then up to the side. Start in the middle and up into the side. That has recreated the hinge and will protect this book.